Okay, now we are given this problem. Find the 19th term in the expansion of 2x raised to the power of half minus y raised to the power of half, all in bracket raised to the power of 20. This is a binomial expansion we are asked to solve. So I need to create a foundation that if we are given a plus b raised to the power of n, it follows this expansion, it follows this pattern in our expansion. And this will be the general term for every term. This will be the general formula or pattern every term follows. So if you are given the binomial raised to the power of n, the number of terms that you will get will be n plus 1. Imagine we are given a plus b raised to the power of 2. That will be a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, and that is 3 terms. If you are given a plus b raised to the power of 3, you will get a squared, a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3a plus a plus 3a b squared plus b cubed. So you have 4 terms for that. So for when n, whatever the value of n is, the number of terms will be n plus 1. So the term that we are actually asked to find, each term is given by r plus 1. Each term is given by r plus 1. So it's given by r plus 1. So we are asked to find the 19th term in this question. Look at it. It says find the 19th term in the expansion. So that means the 19th term is equals to, let's write it like this, is equals to r plus 1 term. So our r plus 1 is equals to 19, which implies that our r is equals to 18. That means we are getting our r. Our n is the value of the binomial we are given. The value of the binomial we are given is the n in that binomial is raised to the power of n is 20. So let me copy this so you have a good view of what we are saying. So our n in this case is 20. Then our r is 18. We're getting the values that we need. So we can find the 19th term. That will be our Tn19. So I told you earlier on, it will be of this pattern. Each term, our r plus 1 term, let's write it so that you will get each term. So T r plus 1 will follow this pattern. For this particular one, it will follow n combination r. Let's just imagine that we don't know the value of n and r. So now this man, I can rewrite it as 2x raised to the power of half plus minus y raised to the power of half. So let me put this in the big. So all raised to the power of 20. So this is what we have for this. So I'm trying to now create how the pattern will look like for every of the binomial for the r plus 1 term. So that will be 2x raised to the power of half so this is not there, n minus r into bracket minus y raised to the power of half raised to the power of r. So it's this pattern we are following, the pattern for every of the terms we are given. This pattern. So let me copy it out so that you can see it clearly. So r plus 1. So that is the pattern. So now what we can do in this case is we know we can put the values back. So our n is 20, that will be 20 combination. Our r, we're getting it to be 18. So we have 2x raised to the power of half 20 minus 18 minus y raised to the power of half raised to the power of 18. So just follow along as we solve this. 19. I'm going to copy this. Just to take note of something I'm going to do now. So this will now be 20 minus, that will be 2. Now, this man that we have here, we have minus 1 times y raised to the power of half. I just want you to take note of this step. I want to do the raised to the power of 18. So T19. So I'm going to copy this. I want you to take note of something. If you are given a, b raised to the power of n, it's the same thing. Following in our law of indices, the same thing as a raised to the power of n and b raised to the power of n. So take note of this two. So we can say that in this case also we can say that minus 1 raised to the power of 18. That's what it means. It also means y raised to the power of half raised to the power of 18. So this is what this statement means. So T19. So we have 18, 20 permutation, 20 permutation, 18. So let's quickly do that. 20 combination 18. That gives us 190. So this one will be 190. So in this case we have 2 raised to the power of 2. Following this concept that we have here, and then 2 raised to the power of half times raised to the power of 2, that is just x in that place. Minus 1 raised to the power of 18. 18 is an even number, so everything there will turn to positive. So I can ignore it because it's now positive. And then y raised to the power of half times 18, that would be 9. So we have y raised to the power of 9 there. See? So this gives us 190 times 4. That's 760. So 760 x y raised to the power of 9. So this is what our T9. So the 19th term, is 760 760x y raised to the power of 9. So that is the 19th term in this expansion. So this is the solution of how to solve this binomial expansion. So I hope you find it interesting. So please go over the problem again. Try and pick your pen and write. I believe you'll get something out of it. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our videos. So see you next time. Thank you.